What's up, guys? It's your girl Matt Cox with A Couture Crafting. I am your quilty BFF, and I'm doing weird stuff because I'm your quilty BFF, and I sometimes do weird things, and you guys just tolerate me. You guys, my favorite notion, my favorite purchase of 2023 was this guy. I am so happy to have it. I burned it up a little bit because I use it a lot. It is what it is. This is the ironing board. I get my ironing board I got this ironing board from 108 Quilt Backings, the Quilt Backings 108 lady. And she happened to have been at a few of the shows that I went to. So you guys, that's the best way to catch her because you really don't want to have this shipped. Or maybe you do because it's just done so well. There are others out there that cost so much more than this one cost. I want to say I think I paid $100 for that. I'll tell you guys, I'll flash it up on the screen exactly what the price is for this. This is a game changer. It is long enough for me to do my 3-yard quilts without having a whole bunch of issues and every other quilt that I have. This has changed the game. I know that a lot of us don't have a ton of space. I don't have a ton of space. I'm in a tiny little room in here, but I make it work. This right here was worth it. It was worth everything about this makes sense to me. I was looking at a Singer one in one of the stores that I go to, and I think the Singer one was like $200-300. This is made so well. It's just, the construction of it is just great. The staples, it's clean. She's been doing this for a long time. I've been seeing her at quilt shows forever. And I would see people going to their cars at Road to California with this. Road to California is coming up, guys. Do not miss out on the Quilt Backings 108 lady. She also has some smaller ones. It's got the batting in there. She knows what she's doing. I can't tell you, this is my favorite, absolute favorite notion of 2023. I don't want you guys to miss out on getting this. It really is a game changer. And yes, it's an ironing board. It fits on top of my ironing board with no problems. All right, guys, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.